The event today is to showcase the outputs from the Sustainable Aviation Fuel, or SAFSIG. This is a programme that was delivered by the Knowledge Transfer Network and is sponsored by Innovate UK, Department for Transport, Sustainable Aviation. So it was a 2-year initiative, and over those 2 years we've sort of done quite a lot of work, if you like, in developing a range of resources and building that community up.
Our role is to make fuels which provide reliable performance in engines to ensure aircraft arrive safely at their destinations. So those requirements are very stringent around the world, and the industry as a whole works together to develop policies and test methods to guarantee the aspects of those fuels meet stringent requirements of both aircraft, fuel systems and engine technology.
Sustainable fuel has a key role to play in reducing the emissions from aircraft. For us at Manchester Airport, aircraft operating below 3,000 feet make up 45% of our carbon footprint, so clearly an area that we need to be paying attention to in terms of improving our impacts on the environment.
We went to Washington, and that was for the CAFE biannual general meeting, and that was really to engage with the FAA and the off-takers, airlines, and to see all the great projects which are going on in this space, and it was really good. It was really informative, and we learnt a lot from it. We've had a very positive experience. We've got to meet so many people, so many great people who are really engaged with the industry and who can get us through the certification processes.
Speaking to some of the attendees here, speaking to people who've been involved in other ways, it's been a sort of focal point for anyone who is interested in this subject to sort of gravitate towards it, to recognise there is a group here that's addressing this topic, and to really sort of find a way of communicating their views and being heard by the right people.
So on behalf of the department and myself, I've been very proud to be involved in the SAFSIG. I think it's been very important in bringing industry together, as well as us as government, in talking about sustainable aviation fuels and how we can develop them further.
I literally could not have made the contacts. You know, I could give you a list of all the contacts I've made. You know, Washington was fascinating. You know, as a first step into the US, difficult market, and they're well established. But no, absolutely amazing. Yeah, so I'm a big fan.